you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have the Allure beauty box for February 2026. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the February 2026 Allure beauty box just arrived. This month I'm actually excited because the customizable item, the one you get to pick, it is like a solid perfume, and I'm really interested in seeing what that's like because I'm trying to grab my knife so I can cut this, because I don't think I've actually experienced a solid perfume bar, so I'm really excited about that. And then I did get to choose the item for next month already, which I believe is a blush, but let's go ahead and see what is in the February box. When you open it up, you always have a brochure right on the top with a gorgeous woman right in the front. This will go over all of the items inside of the box and will tell you the full size and then the size that you got. So you always know what you have by the pamphlet. And then there is a little thing in here to tell you that you can personalize your next box. And then when we dive in, there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. So let me find that. Here it is. Okay, the perfume, the customizable item. So for this one, you can choose it, I believe, between two different scents. It was between braless for a sweet meat spicy vibe or soaked for the perfect pick-me-up energy. So I chose braless. It says leather and vanilla. And that's how it looks. Let me pull this up in the magazine so we can see what the price is. This is a full-size product. Retail values for $48. Just this product alone pays for this entire box. So, ooh, she's heavy. She's really heavy. It's like, this is like a magnet case or something, or made out of some heavy duty material. This thing is heavy. Oh my gosh, but that smells divine. Ooh, that smells so good, you guys. Okay, so it says how you'll use it. Press and swirl your finger into the smooth surface perfume, then delicately rub it onto your pulse points, your wrist, neck, and inner elbows. That smells so good. It's like a vanilla meets woodsy. Oh my goodness. And that is just so neat. It's a balm. Have you guys ever had a balm perfume? Oh, and it smells so good. It says braless, a milky floral with notes of violet, vanilla cream, and musk, or soaked, which is warm woodsy scent of cypress, cedarwood, and amber. So yes, I'm so glad I chose this one, and I'm glad you got to pick between them. I cannot get over how heavy. That feels so much of a good quality, and $48 for that. That's like a paperweight. I still cannot get over how heavy that product is. Like, that is some good quality to that product. All right, you guys, so let's keep on going. Now we have a roll-on cuticle oil, milk and honey. It says that the retail value is $5.69 for a 0.33 ounce, and that is exactly what this is. So this is a full size for $5.69. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys, because I do have a lot of cuticle oil and stuff that I don't even use now. But let me kind of open the packaging so you can see what it looks like. It's right there. That's cool that it is a roller though. That's a different style, at least to apply it. But there we go. We have a full size product right there. Up next we have is this little sample size here. It is the Sephora Collection Express Waterproof Makeup Remover. It is valued at $18 for the full size 200 ml, and what is included in our box is a 20 ml. So you definitely have that to try out. And if you want the full size, you can grab the full size. I think I'm just gonna leave this in the packaging and drop this down into a giveaway for one of you guys to try out. So I'm not gonna open the packaging all the way, but you can see right there, at least it's a good size for you to try out, and it is a makeup remover. There's that. Up next, I actually do have this, so I will put this in a giveaway for you guys as well. This is the CNP Laboratory Lip Serum, I believe it is. This is a retail value for $17.90 for the 15 ml, and that is exactly what this is. So it is the full size. I will just open the package and show you if I don't rip the packaging. Now with this one, because again, I do have this one, so it looks like this, and you just take the top off, and then it will come out of there. You just push it down to, I believe it's either you push it down or you twist it, and the product will actually come out. So again, I will save this because I already have it. Up next we have is Bronze Plus Glow Drops. This is from First Aid Beauty. I, however, do not use any type of bronzing product, so I will save this for you guys as well. It does say that this is a full-size product, a 30 ml, yes, 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce, and this is valued for $28. And if you want to see what the package looks like, try not to destroy packaging since it's all gonna go to you guys. And that is what it looks like. I love the packaging though, with that teal. But again, I just don't do anything with bronzing drops, so this will go for one of you guys. Again, valued for $28. And then the last, yes, the last product we have in here, it says it is a liquid eyeliner by UZO. And I do see the picture of it right here. I do not use liquid. I've never been a fan of liquid. So I will put this in a future giveaway as well, which is cool because I do actually have one coming up in my kitsch video. So these products I will put in that as well to give you guys some extras. So this right here is a 1 ml full size product, and it is retail valued for $24. It is completely sealed with like a plastic that goes around it. So I'm going to keep it sealed because this is going to go to one of you guys. So I don't want to open it. I'll leave it the way that it comes. So again, valued for $24, the 1 ml. This is a liquid eyeliner in the color black. And that is everything that came in the February box. You have the liquid eyeliner, you have the glow drops, you have the lip mask. Did I even tell you guys it was a lip mask? I don't know. You have the cuticle roller, and then you have the makeup remover, and this perfume that I'm really, really loving. Okay, you guys, so all of this will go to you guys. This I am so excited for, and again, this pays for the entire box and then some. I'm just still so like shocked at how heavy this packaging is. And if you guys get this, tell me, are you like just as much like, oh my gosh, like I never thought it would be so heavy. So I'm loving that. So this right here, I'm good for. Again, this is like 40 something dollars, so I'm good with just this right here. If you would like some pricing for this box, I will let you know right about now. They always have different deals when you sign up, so I always go directly to the horse's mouth and go to their website. So right now it looks like if you sign up, your new member gift is some type of like a face cream. It says it's valued for $29.99. Now, if you want to go monthly, just box per box, your very first box will be $19.99, and then it will renew at $29.99 because it's $29.99 per box. Free US shipping is included. If you want to save some money and go to the quarterly, both of those you get that free gift valued for $29.99. And if you do the quarterly, you do the 3 months at a time, it'll bring your box price down to $26.33 each. Or if you want to go annual like I do, you get that member gift, plus you get an extra, it says Beauty Boost Bundle, valued for $278 for that. Then you get the cream for the $29.99. Those are your 2 perks for signing up annually. And then your box price is lowered down to $23.92 a box. And again, free US shipping. So I love Allure. Normally, I always get one product that pays for the entire thing that I do keep, pass down to you guys, share with you guys. So it's always a win-win, but I always love my Allure. So there you go. If you would like to check them out, I will have them listed in the description box for you to pop on over. You can check them out. But if you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? What would be your favorite item in this box? Definitely comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.